Is this recording? Yes, I'm sick. No. Ganda ba? Ganda ba? Okay dito. Actually, I can't breathe properly. Feeling ko sumusumpong yung asthma ko. Hindi ako makahinga ng maayos. But, go pa rin. I'm doing this for you guys. Yan yung epekto ng course mo eh. Nagbabago na, lumalabas na yung totoong ikaw. Ito na talaga. Ay, sorry, baka mahawa kayo. Hi! Hello to the future Jane. Oh, shala. Hi to the future Jane. Hi to the future Jane. Hi, future Jane! Hi! Kamusta ka na? Hi to the future Jane. Or more like the graduating Denise. Denise na siya ngayon. This is you in 2024. August. Slipped away like a butterflies. You're never mine. Uy, wala man to sa script. Sinulat ko pa yung script ko sa phone. Gusto niyo ba makita? Kasi, you know, it's part of my course. I have to be creative. I have to step up my game because my course is main course. Eto, oh. Ayan, oh. May script pa ako. Oh. Ano na ba sasabihin ko niya? Ano ba yan? Wala na yung serious. Dapat inspired to sa ano eh. Yung 20th century girl. Yung kinakausap kong ganon. Oo. Ay, just kumamatay yata ako. Ba't inspired doon? Hindi naman. Pero like, to the future journal, this is something you can definitely look back on. Tama ba grammar? Basta mababalikan mo to in the future. So, that's why I'm making this for you. Okay, to the future journal. This is you right now. You're currently taking Bachelor of Arts, major in Communication at the Holy Angel University. Right? Ano to? Actually, nung June 27 pa nag-start yung klase mo. I know, June 27, sobrang aga niya. Kung iisipin mo, kasi yung break natin, around May 30 na yata, tapos pasukan June 26. So, parang wala mang isang buwan yung bakasyon mo. But, I'm so proud of us. Because, instead of parang magpakalungkot kasi nga konti lang yung bakasyon natin, ginawa na lang natin yung best natin para like, ma-maximize yung konting time ng bakasyon. So right now, magdadalawang buwan ka na sa college. And so far, so good. Okay, so let's start sa orientation. Hashtag welcome. Hashtag come inside of my heart. Actually anxious at first as I did not know anyone in my department, unlike my friends na SBA lahat. But I was fortunate enough to instantly click with someone. Shout out to Hannah, my first college friend. And huge thanks to our seniors for making that day memorable. Although malala talaga yung culture shock.
Catch. Na-culture shock po kami sa mga...
It was on June 21, 2024 when I learned that it doesn't hurt to be social. So, ito na nga, pinakinabangan nyo lahat. Alam ko, yung mga high school batchmates ko dyan, inaabangan nyo to. Sana. My first day in college. Yes, college girl era. Let's go. First, get ready with me in college. So, ayun yung uniform ko. Hindi naman ako excited. Hindi, promise. College life. Here we go. Tingnan natin kung hindi pa ako next week. Or mamaya. But like yun. Actually, sobrang sakit ng braces ko ngayon. Tapos nagkaroon pa ako. As in this morning lang. Galing, diba? Galing.
Ito na. Ito na ang pinaka-expert ako. Ganda! Newly discovered song. Ito na nga ba sinasabi ko? Tingnan niyo. What? Nino? Nino? Sino po? Ay, wala pa ko lippy. Fave lippy of all. Natapilok ako kababa ako ng jeep. Sana wala nakakita. Sabi nila may multo daw dito. Unfortunately, those were the only clips I had that day. Second day, when I began to channel the strong and independent woman in me. It feels nice to be able to do things by yourself once in a while. I still can't believe that I managed to go to the bookstore alone and buy all the things I needed for school. My shy girl era is gone! But, can I just say, how my course is helping me so much.
Hello, boy!
When it comes to being more social, more outgoing,
Wait lang, ayusin mo naman.
home friend.
Yung magandang
home friend.
Hi! Okay, ganda. O, diba? Maganda yung iPhone. Hi, guys.
more communicative, and in learning how to stand up for myself. I guess you could say that I was having the time of my life. Also, natuto akong makipagsapalaran sa pagko-commute. Be proud! Until things began to feel overwhelming. It's like getting lost in an amusement park you've been eager to visit. But when you finally arrive, there are so many rides you want to try that you can't decide which one to start with. And in the end, you don't ride anything. But you can always return to the park the next day. You still have plenty of time to become and achieve everything you want. Remember that. And as I started to realize that, things seem to fall back into place. When you start to trust that you are right where you're meant to be, you begin to appreciate everything in front of you. And you feel giddy to continue on your journey. To the future Gabriel, this is you in the present, and I hope you never lose that fire within you, and I hope you never forget why you chose this course. Please, don't pressure yourself too much, just enjoy the ride, and kung nasan ka man ngayon, no matter what happens, know that I am proud of you. Parang walang sakit eh. Rasta, sakit! Uy, by the way, yung mga to, galing sila dun sa prelims ko. Dun sa ginawa kong prelims, so pinrint ko lahat yan. Tapos, dinikat ko sila dun sa room ng parents ko. Kasi maganda yung room nila eh, parang corner siya na. Tapos ito yung room. Sayang naman, yung iba nasa ilalim lang ng kama ko. Kasi di ko naman makakover dun lahat. Tapos yung iba, nilalitan mo sila dito. Parang hindi sayang kasi. Games of winter namin. Ganda ba ako, guys? Ganda ba ako? Okay, hindi niyo ganda ako sa sarili ko. But you know, na naman ako nasa tapak tao.
OG YouTubers. Goodbye. Sure.
Rolling. I just wanna feel this moment.